Port Sudan has never seen anything like this. 3 days of drone strikes, a dramatic escalation.
Die Grenzen lückenlos schließen. Die deutschen Grenzen sind dicht.
We gave you, through this stupid president, $350 billion.
In their latest report, UN scientists are warning we are on course for devastating changes to our climate.
It's quite aggressive how this operation takes place. It's violence.
We're going back to plastic straws. And I don't think that plastic's going to affect a shark very much.
Ik heb een signaal af willen geven. En ik ben geen stempelmachine. En wat hij niet wil tekenen, dat ga ik gewoon niet tekenen.
I always say tariffs is the most beautiful word to me in the dictionary.
Deforestation is a main driver of climate change and biodiversity loss and should be a major concern. It is now infamous for its brutal oppression of the Muslim Uyghur minority.
This was, even by recent standards, a particularly deadly day in Gaza.
Sie sind dicht!
Polyneuropathy.
Consequently, it was in the
If the idea of custard skin is repugnant to you, shout bin.